Hello, this is the Bill 41 camping on turkeys.
Wow, that was pretty sad.
That's too loud. Those are the turkeys. You see the turkeys?
Wow, stupid thing. Can't take a picture of it.
It's probably on video.
This is my brother wanting to take a picture of the wild turkeys. Oh, this is me. This is my cousin.
The owner of the channel.
And this is me. We have to be quiet or else the turkeys are gonna run away and they're gonna eat our wieners. Turkey Watch 101. I want my Thanksgiving, son. Just be in the kitchen making me some turkey.
Gobble, gobble.
Yeah.
It's okay, he'll stop.
Ooh, turkey. There's a truck behind us.
Mother truck. It's a park, he'll stop.
Okay, I'm sorry, YouTube videos, but the turkeys are gone. Okay.
No more Thanksgiving.
I'm so sorry, turkeys, but we won't get to cook you and eat you for Thanksgiving.